Did you know that according to recent studies, over 70% of employees feel stuck in their careers and are unsure how to advance? Crazy, right? But fear not, because today we're diving into a game-changing book that holds the key to unlocking your potential in the workplace. Hey everyone, in today's video, we're exploring Get Promoted: What You're Really Missing at Work That's Holding You Back, by Wenderoth. This book is a goldmine of insights for anyone looking to climb the corporate ladder but feeling a bit stuck. So, let's jump right in. Now, before we delve into the juicy details, let me give you a sneak peek of what's inside. Get Promoted covers everything from mastering office politics to building a killer personal brand, and even navigating tricky conversations with your boss. It's packed with practical tips, real-life examples, and actionable strategies that will help you stand out and get noticed in your workplace. One of the key takeaways from this book is the importance of understanding and mastering office politics. Love it or hate it, office politics play a significant role in career advancement. Wenderoth provides valuable insights on how to navigate office dynamics, build alliances, and leverage relationships to your advantage. Another gem in Get Promoted is the chapter on personal branding. In today's competitive job market, it's not just about what you know but also about how you present yourself. Wenderoth breaks down the steps to crafting a compelling personal brand that highlights your strengths and sets you apart from the crowd. Last but not least, effective communication skills are crucial for career success, and Wenderoth emphasizes this throughout the book. From mastering the art of persuasion to delivering impactful presentations, Get Promoted offers practical tips to help you communicate with confidence and clarity. Well, folks, that's a wrap for today's video. If you're ready to take your career to the next level, I highly recommend picking up a copy of Get Promoted by Wenderoth. Trust me, you won't regret it.